Keeping your teeth healthy is one of the most important aspects of maintaining overall health. Your smile is often the first thing people notice about you, and strong, healthy teeth play a huge role in confidence. Oral health is not just about aesthetics, it is deeply connected to your overall well-being. Poor dental hygiene can lead to serious health issues, including gum disease, infections, and even heart-related problems. This is why prioritizing oral care is essential for everyone. In this video, we will explore 5 simple yet powerful tips for keeping your teeth healthy. These tips are easy to follow, practical, and can make a long-term difference in your oral hygiene. By consistently applying these methods, you can prevent dental issues and enjoy a bright, confident smile. So let us dive into the details and uncover the secrets of maintaining strong, healthy teeth. Tip number 1. Brush your teeth properly and regularly. Brushing is the foundation of good oral hygiene. Dentists recommend brushing at least twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Brushing helps remove food particles, plaque, and bacteria that can cause cavities and gum problems. It is important to use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Brushing should last for at least 2 minutes to ensure that all surfaces of your teeth are cleaned. Make sure to brush not only the front and back surfaces but also the chewing surfaces. Many people make the mistake of brushing too quickly or applying too much pressure. Excessive force can damage your gums and enamel. Instead, use gentle circular motions to clean effectively without causing harm. Replacing your toothbrush every 3 months is also necessary to maintain efficiency. Brushing is not just about fresh breath but about protecting your teeth for the long run. Tip number 2. Floss daily to remove hidden plaque. Brushing alone cannot remove all the debris from between your teeth. Food particles and plaque often get stuck in spaces where toothbrush bristles cannot reach. This is where flossing becomes essential. Flossing helps remove hidden particles and prevents plaque buildup that can cause cavities and gum disease. It is recommended to floss at least once a day, preferably before bedtime. Proper technique is important when flossing. Slide the floss gently between your teeth without snapping it against your gums. Curve the floss around each tooth in a C shape and move it up and down to clean thoroughly. If traditional flossing feels difficult, floss picks or water flossers can be a great alternative. Flossing is often overlooked, but it is one of the most powerful habits for long-term oral health. Regular flossing also reduces bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresher. Tip number 3. Maintain a tooth-friendly diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your oral health. Sugary foods and drinks are the biggest enemies of your teeth. Bacteria in your mouth feed on sugar and produce acids that erode enamel. This leads to cavities and sensitivity. It is important to limit the consumption of candies, sodas, and processed foods. Instead, include more tooth-friendly foods in your diet. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery help clean teeth naturally. They stimulate saliva production, which washes away harmful particles. Calcium-rich foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt strengthen enamel and protect against decay. Foods high in vitamin D, such as eggs and fish, support stronger teeth and bones. Nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables also contribute to dental health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is equally important. Water helps rinse away food particles and neutralizes acids in the mouth. Avoid frequent snacking, as constant eating increases acid exposure. A balanced, nutritious diet is key to strong teeth and healthy gums. Tip number 4. Regular dental checkups and professional cleaning. No matter how well you brush and floss, professional dental care is necessary. Dentists can spot early signs of cavities, gum disease, and other oral issues. Visiting your dentist every 6 months is highly recommended. During these visits, professional cleaning removes plaque and tartar that brushing cannot. Tartar buildup can only be removed by a dentist or hygienist. Checkups also give you personalized advice on maintaining oral hygiene. If problems are detected early, they can be treated before becoming serious. Dental x-rays may be taken occasionally to spot issues hidden below the surface. Professional care ensures that your oral health stays in top condition. Many people avoid dental visits due to fear or cost, but prevention is always cheaper than treatment. Investing in regular checkups saves money, time, and pain in the long run. Tip number 5. Avoid harmful habits that damage teeth. Many daily habits can weaken or harm your teeth without you realizing it. One of the most damaging habits is smoking. Smoking not only stains your teeth but also increases the risk of gum disease and oral cancer. Chewing tobacco is equally harmful to your oral health. Another common habit to avoid is grinding or clenching your teeth. Bruxism, or teeth grinding, can wear down enamel and cause jaw pain. Using a night guard can help if you grind your teeth during sleep. Biting nails, opening bottles with your teeth, or chewing on pens are harmful practices. These actions can chip or crack your teeth. It is also important to avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it dries out your mouth and damages enamel. Being mindful of these harmful habits can protect your teeth for years to come. Taking care of your teeth is not just about brushing and flossing. It is a holistic approach that combines daily habits, diet, professional care, and lifestyle choices. By following these 5 simple tips, you can keep your teeth strong, clean, and healthy. Oral health has a huge impact on your quality of life. A confident smile can improve self-esteem and social interactions. Strong teeth allow you to enjoy your favorite foods without discomfort. Preventing dental problems is always easier than treating them. Good oral hygiene also reduces the risk of other health issues, making it a vital part of overall wellness. So remember these 5 tips: brush your teeth properly and regularly. Floss daily to remove hidden plaque. Maintain a tooth-friendly diet. Visit your dentist for regular checkups and professional cleaning. Avoid harmful habits that damage your teeth. Applying these practices consistently will give you healthier teeth and a brighter smile. Make dental care a part of your daily routine and your future self will thank you. Your teeth are meant to last a lifetime if you take good care of them. Thank you for watching this video on 5 tips for keeping your teeth healthy. We hope you found this information valuable and easy to apply in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please support our channel by liking the video. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content to benefit you and others. Stay consistent with these tips and enjoy the lifelong benefits of healthy teeth. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.